Guys, welcome back to another video. You may be wondering why I'm holding chopsticks. Well, I got a recent batch of sushi. So this is sashimi, crab stick. It's good. Mga atehan na, kuha mo to. Ate, nag-video. Here. Dip mo sa soy sauce. Masarap. Next one. Ito, meron mayonnaise. Kung ito, kasi meron seaweed, ilagay namin dito sa soy sauce. Try mo. Ito. Hindi ate, kamay mo.
Huwag na, ito na.
Dip mo sa soy sauce. Kain mo. Ang sarap, diba? Tapos, last 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Ito, mangga naman. Mango. Dip it. Just a bit. And then, try mo. Mango.
Tama na pala, busog na ako. Busog na ako. Thank you, kuha.
Okay. Ang sarap? Okay, Ate Hannah's going away. So,
Thank you, kuha.
you're welcome. Next one. Gimbap. Gimbap is like this. Oh, it's plain. It's got cucumber. I hate it, but let's see what it tastes like. Kimbap tastes good. Now one of my favorite cuts of all. Flying fish roll. Not flying fish, salmon roll. It's got bit. Let's dip it. Favorite. Pops right in your mouth. Now for our last roll, we have sesame seeds. Dip in. It just has a bad aftertaste. Thanks for watching. Bye.